Hi there, and welcome to this video that demonstrates how to view the active map on either an Active 10 or an Active 12, but we're using an Active 12 here for demonstration purposes. Now the first thing you need to do is insert the SD card that contains the mapping, and I've got some local mapping here which I'll just insert. And I say, what should happen is you should get that warning that just came up to confirm the SD card's inserted, and it may take a little bit of time for the card to load. Now this is a slightly smaller card and takes, say, a few seconds like demonstrated, but some of the larger cards like the Platinum series will take up to 5 minutes to load completely, so you must ensure that that process is done first. Now once the map is loaded, you won't see any immediate changes on the GPS map screen, but you can check to see that the Active 12 or Active 10 is reading the SD card correctly by going and seeing the map pack. So you can do that by pressing the lower right hand button here. Press it once and you'll have an option on the lower left hand side that says Map Packs. And then it should display the book cover and also the type of mapping in this bar up here, and you should be able to see that, say that at the top there I've got a couple of different options available. So if I select the 1 to 25,000 of Surrey and hit View Map at the bottom here, it should take you to the default location for the map, and in this case it's Guildford. The next step is to ensure you can view that mapping in the GPS map mode. Now to switch from the planning mode to the GPS map mode, you just need to press this button here, which is the Where on My button. And we have now switched to the GPS map mode. However, you'll notice that we've got a world view on the Active 12, I say same on the Active 10, and that's quite often the case. And one of the things that you need to ensure when viewing the maps is that you're at a suitable zoom level for viewing that data. So what I'm going to do now is just zoom in through the various map scales, through the various base maps, and eventually I'll get to the SD card mapping that we saw earlier. Now a good default zoom level to choose for this is about 1 to 20,000, which is what I'm at here, and at 1 to 20,000 you can activate all the various mapping types that we offer, so the 1 to 10,000, 25, 50, and including our aerial and OCM and adventure layers as well. I say lastly, it may be that the default map that comes up is not the one that you'd prefer for the type of trip that you're doing, and I say for that you need the toggle button, which is this top left hand button here, and what that will do is choose between the various mapping types. So you've got the 50k here, the base map there, which is obviously blurry at this zoom level, the 1 to 10,000 street view, and then back through to the 1 to 25,000.